Good morning, class. Before we formally start our discussion, let's stand and bow our head and pray. Lord, thank you for this day. Amen. Okay, class, before you sit, please take the pieces of paper. Good morning, grade 3. I'm your mathematics teacher. I'm Teacher Sarah Jean Austria, and you can call me Teacher Jean. Okay, how are you, my beautiful and handsome grade 3?
Okay lang po.
I'm glad that you are all okay. Okay, before we start our discussion, let's dance. Okay, ang galing ng mga estudyante ko.
Yay! Sagot na dapat.
Okay, who is the absent today?
Wala po ako, ma'am.
Very good. I'm glad that you are all here. Class, do you still recall our previous topic last meeting?
Yes.
Can I have someone to tell me what did she or he have learned last meeting? Okay, Ronnie.
Our topic last meeting is all about multiplication of number 1 to 10 by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10.
Very good. So last time we learned about the visualize multiplication of numbers 1 to 10 by 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Who can recite the skip counting by 2? Alkian.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Yeah, very good.
Ayaw mo na ako.
Okay. We can use skip counting to multiply the number. I will give an example. How many groups of shells are there?
4.
Yes, Ronnie. Very good. Yes, 2 groups of 2. If you will write a multiplication, if you write a multiplication sentence from above the situation, 2 groups of 2. Can you read?
2 groups of 2.
Very good. And we can read it 2 times 2 is equal to
4.
4. If we use the repeated addition, we can write like this. 2 plus 2. Okay, another one. Complete the table. Who wants to answer number 1? 2 times 2. Okay? Alkian?
4.
4. Very good.
Yay.
Who wants to answer number 2? 3 times 10. Okay? James Carlo? Very good. The answer is 30. And number 3. Oh, Sheila,
4 times.
4 times
Yan ba yan?
4.
Hindi madali.
16.
Tama.
And number 4, 5 times 8. Okay, Ronnie? Very good. And 5 times 6 is 60. Can you read? Skip counting by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8.
10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Next, skip counting by 3.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30.
Very good. Next, skip counting by 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Very good. And next, skip counting by
5,
5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
And next, skip counting by 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Now, do you have any question?
Nothing.
Okay, very good. Children, are you ready? Who wants plus point? So many of you want plus point. I will give plus point if you are participating. What is in the picture, class?
Stars.
Stars.
Stars. A group of stars.
Stars.
How many groups of stars are there?
6.
6. 1,